Lesson 9. Weather and Climate. It's a nice day today, isn't it? It sure is. It's a beautiful day. Let's go out. Let's go for a drive. Sounds good. It's nice weather today. It's warm and sunny. Let's go out. Let's take a walk on the beach. It's cloudy. Do you think it will rain? It might rain. Grab your umbrella and coat. What is the forecast for tomorrow? It will be a cold and windy day. Wear something warm. They're predicting a warm and sunny day. Should I grab a coat? I don't think you will need it. You will get hot in a coat. What is the weather forecast for today? It will be cold and windy with a chance of light snow. Should I wear a hat? Grab a hat just in case you get cold. What did you do on the weekend? It was raining hard all weekend. I stayed in the whole time. Do you not like walking in the rain? I do it sometimes, but not when it's pouring like that. What did you do yesterday? I went out jogging. What? It was raining hard all day. I know, I'm an athlete. I go jogging every day, rain or shine. Let's step out for some fresh air. It's stuffy in here. It's drizzling outside. No, it's not drizzling anymore. The sun's out. The air is crisp. The weather is beautiful. What is the weather like today? It's really wet out. This morning it was snowing, but now there's sleet. Make sure you wear your Timberlands because it's really slushy outside. We're not going to see spring this year. What will you do tomorrow? It depends on the weather. What's the forecast for tomorrow? They're predicting a cold and windy day with a chance of light snow. The temperature will drop below freezing. I thought the weather was warmer here at this time of year. It's unusually cold this year. Normally the average temperature at this time of year is plus 10 or 15. It hardly ever snows. This is my first time in London. I was planning to go for a tour around the city tomorrow afternoon, but if the weather is not good, I'll have to stay in the hotel. You should go out. Just wear something warm. Do you like the climate in Thailand? It's too hot and humid. They have the rainy season in May and June. The heat is unbearable at this time of year. What about the climate in Egypt? It's much better for me. It's hot and dry. It virtually never rains. The only problem is the wind. The windy season lasts from October until March. What is the weather like in your country in the winter? I live in Russia. It's usually cold in the winter. We don't get much sun. The streets are nasty. What is the average temperature in the winter? Usually around minus 10 or 15 C. What about your country? I live in the UK, in the south of the country. The weather is usually mild due to the effect of the sea. It's not too hot in the summer and not too cold in the winter. The temperature in the winter never drops below freezing. Does it snow sometimes in the winter? No, it never snows where I live, but it rains a lot. What is the weather like in your country? Well, you probably know that Russia is the coldest country in the world. Winters are long and cold. We get a lot of snow. The average winter temperature is -15. In fact, temperatures may drop to -30 or more. That's too cold. You need a lot of warm clothing. Well, yes, but that's not the worst part. The truth is the cold climate makes economics of the country way more expensive. It also makes agriculture less efficient. How about summers in Russia? Summers in Russia are usually short. Sometimes they are very hot and dry, but sometimes we don't get warm weather until the end of June. What is the weather like in your country? Well, you probably know that Russia is the coldest country in the world. Winters are long and cold. We get a lot of snow. The average winter temperature is -15. In fact, temperatures may drop to -30 or more. That's too cold. You need a lot of warm clothing. Well, yes, but that's not the worst part. The truth is the cold climate makes economics of the country way more expensive. It also makes agriculture less efficient. How about summers in Russia?
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.